YouTube, what's good? Mr. Random checking in today. We're going to be installing our Melon 10295 high pressure oil pump. So if you're new, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share the video. We're going to be back with lots more. Y'all stay tuned, Mr. Random. Alright, gang. So we got our Melon performance oil pump, high pressure oil pump. Part number 10295, and it comes with two springs. The spring that is in there is the red spring. It also comes with a blue spring that'll lower the pressure 10 pounds, and then it comes with a black spring that'll raise the pressure 15 pounds. So we're gonna keep the spring that it came with, and we're gonna pull some oil up in here. The oil we're gonna be using some regular conventional 2050. We're gonna pull it in our oil pump to get it pre-primed. So all we're gonna do is pour some directly into the pump. We'll try not to waste any. That's probably way more than enough. We're gonna go ahead on and switch our inside gear around. Y'all see it's definitely dripping. Y'all see we primed up there. Gonna go ahead on, turn that inner gear a few times. We're gonna try to be as neat as possible as we can with it.
Yeah. Okay. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. Let's go. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. Yes, sir. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. Stepped out looking fresh as a peppermint. My own brand, that's what I'm stepping in. Walking trophy, I'm heaven sent. You get the message, I'm blessing shit. Like a preacher on the stand. Girls wishing I'm their man. I'm taking fuck your chance. I hit the club, I don't do no dance. I'm posted, sipping on a yak. Feeling good, focus on that bag. Flip money, then stash. I'm broke, baby, don't X. Money ain't the waste to get snatched. I give you money, double that. Real rider, they don't make them like you. Married to money, I do, but I love you, it's the truth. Look up. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. Let's go. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. Yes, sir. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. Watch out. Catch a glimpse of this good living. Like sharp, so I live it risky. Learned that when I was living city. Like my baby different, I'm picky. Monkey territory, give me.
Alright guys, so the original O-ring that came with the factory oil pump was red. According to Melon instructions, it says, if your tube look like either design one, which is the flange in, or you're using a red O-ring, then you're gonna use the green O-ring that Melon sent you in a kit. So our tube look exactly like that first figure. Y'all see it was flange, and it has the red O-ring. So we'll be using the Melon green O-ring. Melon send you two different rings. They send you a black one, and they send you a green one. I guess the black one will be for a different application. But in our application, we're going with this green one. On our pickup tube with the flange in. We're going with the green O-ring with the pickup tube with the flange in. All right, so we got our O-ring on there. Let me go ahead on and pop it in our oil pump. All right, we in our oil pump. Nice and good. We good and seated right there. We're gonna have to remove this other 13 millimeter.
So when they see me, I'm all you. I see the bride, but I ball too. That's if the devil don't fall through. Real hustlers, yeah, they fall too. Like Martin Luther King got marched through. Don't ride a boat, I'ma park you. I don't fuck with that, won't start too. We gon' start our own way. Not soft with the phone heads. Not so many weeks, cause they black. Phone days, let the society tell their future. Palms raised, fuck failure, growing up like arm head. Living a movie, the song say. And stop until I'm well fed. Forget a fan, I want support. Let me support you too. We all gon' blow through the roof. Let's make magic. Poof, poof, poof. Yeah. If you know me, then you know. And I'm just trying to enjoy life. Me and my partners, we always fly fam, KFP. Yeah, you know that. We gon' go up. Yeah. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. Let's go. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. Yes, sir. I'm living a movie. I'm living a movie. Watch out.